Okay guys, so welcome sa video natin. Today we are going, tapos na tayo dito sa how to earn using YouTube ads. Ngayon, we are going to talk about the how we're going to earn using TikTok ads. TikTok ads, I think marami talagang tao na meron TikTok ads ngayon, especially sa Philippines kasi kita yung number one supporters pag may mga bagong applications, okay? Okay, yung TikTok ads is same din sa Google, tsaka yun sa YouTube, tsaka yun sa Facebook, is pupunta rin tayo sa TikTok Business Manager. But before that, I'm just going to show you here sa ating Homebase Connect na Shopify. Kung may Shopify kayo, you can go to dashboard and makita natin dito yung traffic source. Online sales by sessions, no? Online store sessions by social source. Facebook yung number 1, naka 8,300. Number 2 is TikTok talaga. Okay? TikTok and Instagram, YouTube. Okay, so yung store ko sa Homebase Connect is basically I'm doing advertisements sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Okay? Dito ang sales niya sa Facebook, 131,000, Instagram 5,000, TikTok nasa mga 2,000, Messenger 398, YouTube 199. Pero yung YouTube kasi hindi pa siya naka enable yung tracking niya. So that's why isa pa lang yung sales niya. Pero the good thing about that is meron na tayong traffic source, okay? Now, how are we going to create ano ba yung TikTok ads? Okay? Same din. Try ko lang na kung ano ba yung conversion niya, okay? Ito yung TikTok dashboard, same with Google Ads. Okay? We got 3 campaigns. Click natin 3 campaigns. Nag-down siya because naubusan ng budget eh. Hindi ko na siya nabantayan kanina. Okay? If we're going to click here, ito yung TikTok ads niya guys, okay? Budget, no limit. So, ang ginawa ko na, meron din siyang ad group or parang ad set sa Facebook, okay? Click na rin yan. Not delivering kasi yung wala pa siyang laman. Okay? Anyway, ito yun siya. And sa ad group niya, or yung ads niya, ito yung ginawa ko guys, okay? Ito yung ads, ano tawag dyan? TikTok ads na ginawa ko. TikTok ads ito. Yan, balik ka din. Same din, pero may VA kasi ako ngayon guys sa So kung nakita nyo ito sa TikTok, sabihan nyo lang ako. Okay, yun. So dapat kasi engaging yung ads nyo eh. So nag-hire ako ng isang video editor sa, I think she's from Russia. Na-hire ko siya via Upwork. So, yun. In other videos, I'm gonna show you guys kung paano ba tayo mag-hire. So, to leverage your time then. So, to create a campaign, click natin yung create. Okay? Conversion. Okay. Continue. Hindi ko na-change name, pero yun din. Okay, website. Pixel, nakakonect na to sa Shopify. Okay, active. Okay. Basically, you can connect this one doon sa Shopify mismo. Okay. Event, lagyan natin the purchase. Complete payment. Boom, active. Automatic yung placement niya. Yung placement niya, pwede tayo mag-advertise sa newsfeed ng app series, Pangle. So, we're just going to click this one sa automatic placement. Same with Facebook, okay? User comment, video download, pwede natin hindi download, pwede siya download. Audiences niya dito, ito yung parang is-save mo. Pero dito sa atin, no limit lang, no limit. And then yung interest ko, dito na yung parang money, okay? Same lang talaga guys. Nakita nyo ngayon na same lang yung Facebook, saka Google Ads, YouTube Ads, saka yung TikTok, no? The same lang sila na parang platform. Sa TikTok, no, ang minimum niya is 1,000. No, medyo mahirap. Conversion, cost cap. Let's follow this one, 7.25. Boom. And then click next. Is narrow. Pwede kayong mag-add ng guys, pwede kayong mag-add ng audiences. Hindi siya problema kasi pwede lang siya tawag dyan, mag-add lang kayo ng interest. Okay. Money, wealth. Okay? Ano ba? Dito, education. Boom. Financial services. Boom. Tataas yan. Alright? Okay, then click next. And dito na tayo sa ad creation. Okay? Kung may TikTok account kayo, pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito. Pero sa akin, wala akong TikTok account sa Homebase Connect eh. So, pangalan lang niya dito, Homebase Connect, okay? Single video, upload ko yon dito yung bagong video ko, or I can add this one from the library, okay? From the library, makita natin dito na meron akong ads ito, bam. Pag mag-upload, basic, para ma-upload it, okay? So, this presentation, let's try to use this one. Confirm. And then, ito na yun, guys. Okay? So, ito yung text natin, guys. Tingnan nyo yan sa left side. Virtual Assistant. Course. 199. Boom. Okay? Small text. And yung call to action is lagyan natin ng walang enroll now eh. Hindi, mayroon siyang sign up. Okay? Sign up. Ito yung sign up niya. And then yung URL, of course, alam ko yung URL ko. Ito yung URL ko. Boom. Homebase Connect, of course. Especially the test website has been set up correctly. Okay. Okay. So, yan. Pwede siya. Next is, yun. Pwede tayong once okay na kayo dito, guys, you can basically click submit. And then, there you go. Meron na kayong TikTok ads for the first 10 minutes of doing it. So, yun. That's how easy it is to create your first TikTok ad, guys. So, number one is you should have payment method. Kailangan may credit card ka or debit card or even GCash. Number two is dapat meron kang website to run ads para pa-drive mo yung mga clients mo dito sa from TikTok to your website. Okay, guys? So, yun. That's it. So, see you sa next video, mga boss. God bless.